In today's video, I'm going to teach you redirect Shopify URLs fast and save your sales. If you've ever changed a product handle, retired a collection, or reorganized your site, old links can break and customers hit 404 pages. A quick URL redirect prevents lost traffic and protects your SEO. Let's walk through the fastest way to set this up inside your Shopify admin. First, sign in to your Shopify admin on a desktop for the best experience. On the left sidebar, open Online Store. From there, head into Preferences. At the top of this page, you'll see the admin search. Click into the search bar and begin typing so the option you need is highlighted in the results. What we want is Menus, which is Shopify's navigation area. Click Menus, then look for URL redirects and open it. This is where all existing redirects live. To add a new one, choose Create URL Redirect. On the redirect page, click into the Redirect From field. Enter the path that's broken or changing, starting with a /, like old product. Don't include your full domain. Shopify only needs the path. Next, click into Redirect To and enter the new destination path. For example, Products, New Product, or choose a product, collection, or page from the picker. Keep your redirect specific and avoid sending people to your home page unless there's no better match. That helps both customers and search engines. When both fields look correct, click Save Redirect. If you're prompted again, click Save Redirect until you see confirmation that it's saved. That's it. The redirect is active immediately. A few quick tips while you're here. Use permanent redirects for changed URLs so search engines update their indexes. Avoid redirect loops by never pointing a URL to itself or creating chains that hop through multiple redirects. Keep it one step from old to new. If a product is discontinued, consider redirecting to the closest relevant collection or a newer version of the product to maintain purchase intent. And remember, you can repeat this process for each old link you need to fix. After saving, I like to open a new private browser window and paste the old path after your domain to confirm it lands on the new page. If it doesn't, double-check for typos and that the leading / is included. That's the fastest, safest way to redirect Shopify URLs